Here we come a-caroling.
Over the river and through the woods.
Here we come a-caroling.
Deck the hall with boughs of holly. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Up jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas.
Joy to the world, joy to the world.
First of birds, the angels did sing, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they heard the bells on Christmas Day. Their old familiar carols play, and wild and sweet the words repeat
Of peace on earth, goodwill to
angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains.
my
And the mountains sailing by
Christmas Day,
their joyous strains. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are the holly and the ivy when they are both full grown. Of all the trees that are in the wood,
holy bells of
Christmas
Christ.
bells, ding dong, ring Christmas bells, ring loud and long.
Hasten now, ye shepherds, ring Christmas bells, ring loud and long, ring Christmas bells.
Come, all ye faithful,
Bring the torch and let Isabella,
joyful and triumphant.
people all rejoice and sing.
Come ye, oh, come ye, come ye. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.